You'll be amazed by this video. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, Coinbase, is raising the price of XRP Ripple to $1,000. Sounds crazy, but it's definitely true. But this is only possible because the CEOs of Coinbase and Ripple have joined forces to fight the SEC. This is one of the most important events of the year, and you would be silly to miss it. The strongest sign of a bull market. Ladies and gentlemen, let's break it down little by little. Nota bene, Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission are still fighting in court over a criminal case. This is having an effect on the whole Bitcoin world. Ripple is feeling better after recent wins, but it now has to deal with new problems because the SEC is trying to change previous decisions. But new information from industry friends and well-known people could change the outcome in Ripple's favor. Coinbase, a major Bitcoin exchange that supports clear regulations, is a big development in this story. There is more interest because it is thought that Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has a large amount of XRP. Some people think that this private stake may be what drives his public support for Ripple. The criminal cases that Coinbase and the SEC are facing are similar to Ripple's, and how they are related could have a big impact on the future of crypto law. The legal approach used by Ripple seems to be strengthened by what past regulatory officers have said. For example, Christian Carlo, who is there and used to be chair of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, has called for a stop to many SEC cases, calling Ripple and XRP examples. This feeling is strengthened by Kenny Angoin's popular tweet. A former head of the CFTC thinks the SEC will stop the rise in Ripple lawsuits. Such support from outside regulators shows growing dissatisfaction with the SEC's approach under Gary Gensler, whose term has been marked by strict enforcement competition, instead of making policies with hope. Even so, Coinbase is still listing XRP, which shows that it believes Ripple is not guilty of any crimes. Coinbase's legal team has also shared arguments and sources that Ripple could use to build a united front against the SEC's enforcement method. The Ripple Sector 3 XRP Markets report gives an idea of when the case will happen. Both Ripple and the SEC have filed past appeals, and the hearing should be over by the middle of 2025. The appeal court's very last decision might not come until after the fact in 2025, which makes things less clear. However, by giving Ripple more time to combine business support. There's a lot at stake right now, not just for Ripple, but also for the whole Bitcoin market. The claim from Amonix is also very interesting. According to that Binance piece, the price of XRP could reach $600 if Elon Musk's X bills are added. This makes the story of a revolutionary surge hard to ignore. The technical analysis by Feeman crypto expert Crypto Bull adds an interesting historical touch to the fun. Crypto Bull sees similarities between the way XRP is charged now and its bull run in 2017, when it went through an amazing 72,000% increase, to its all-time high of $3.84 in less than a year. He points to the symmetrical triangle pattern that is building on XRP's monthly chart, which is a common sign of a great breakout. This chart sample, along with a long period of consolidation that XRP has been going through, says that the past could happen again, but this time on a much bigger scale. Crypto Bull is sure of itself because of technical signs and the fact that XRP's fundamentals are getting stronger. Recent court rulings in Ripple's case against the SEC have brought faith back to the cryptocurrency's regulatory standing. This, along with rumors that Elon Musk might be able to add XRP to X bills, should make for an unprecedented call for rise. Crypto Geek said that XRP is pulling away from $15.98 and that this will likely continue until January 1st. For doubters, the idea that XRP could go as high as $0.01 or $994.98, as Crypto Bull shows, may also seem like a crazy idea. But the pieces for this kind of rally are coming together: technical patterns, growing usage, and regulatory wins. Crypto Bull said that the price in a few months should surprise everyone. The fact that the number of trades is going up only supports the positive case. Crypto Geek said that the amount of XRP traded hit an all-time high during an old shift. High volumes often come before big fee moves, which shows that the market activity around the asset is growing. So far, the signs and symptoms for XRP point to an epic recovery. In addition, the macro environment plays a part. Bitcoin's success, changes in the global economy, and the rise of institutional interest in the blockchain era all make it possible for XRP to do well. If Elon Musk officially supported XRP or added it to his platform, the mental effect alone could send the cryptocurrency to heights that were once thought to be impossible. Of course, we also want to talk about the game-changing trends that are making waves in the business world. Ripple isn't just making waves, it's also changing the rules of the whole world's banking system. Trust me, what's going on behind the scenes will leave you speechless. These new agreements and integrations could help XRP reach amazing new heights. If you have $1,000, that could be the start. That's why Ripple's relationship with Arch today is more than just a big deal. It has the potential to change the whole financial world. Together, they launched the UK's first marketplace fund for tokenized money on the XRP system. This was a big step forward that could lead to a lot of people using Ripple's blockchain technology. It's not always just about making every other economic good better. It's about opening the door to a whole new era of virtual finance where the lines between traditional markets and the blockchain era become less clear. This will give the market liquidity and performance that have never been seen before. It's impossible to overstate how important this cooperation is. Arch's deal with Ripple isn't just a step toward tokenization. It brings us one step closer to using the XRP ledger in real-world banking. Ripple's $5 million investment to buy tokens from a BRDN's Lux fund says a lot about how committed they are to tokenizing financial goods. This business choice will not only make XRP more useful, but it will also make it possible for traditional assets to be easily moved into the blockchain world. Ripple isn't just talking about changing the way money works. In the course of the day, its creative impact becomes clearer as it moves forward. Also, don't forget about the results for XRP's fee trajectory. The XRP ledger is becoming more important in institutional banking. The need for XRP, which is the underlying token that powers these changes, could go through the roof. When you look at Ripple's partnerships, XRP's key placement in the growing market for tokenized assets, and the fact that more and more institutions are adopting it, it's easy to see how its value will grow very quickly in the future. This isn't just a guess. Crypto Barbie pointed out in her tweet that the idea that XRP could handle deals worth trillions of dollars by 2025 isn't always a far-fetched one. But, and this is getting close to being true, XRP wasn't made for small gains. It was made with the big goal of changing the banking system. As tokenizing things becomes more common and Ripple plays a key role in this change, XRP's road should lead to unheard of fee increases, which could even push the price to $1,000 or more. It was said on Whale Alert that there were almost $18.81 million XRP, worth around $25 million, was moved from Binance to a spot that no one knows about. It's not unusual for big deals like this to happen, and the time and size of them often mean that something very big is about to happen. What does this really mean for the price of XRP? That's the main question. There are a lot of people in the crypto world who agree with that. Big cryptocurrency holders are the next group to make these kinds of moves. Both of them are getting ready to sell or buy something. Because the wallet that received the Bitcoin is linked to the trade itself, it looks like this move is part of Binance's daily work. This opens up a lot of interesting options. How and why would such a huge amount of XRP be moved into Binance's own system? What does that mean for the price? People can usually see these kinds of transfers as the moving of assets to wallets that don't hold them for protection. Wankers may move their XRP to wallets they own to keep their funds out of the hands of exchanges and away from changes in the market. This kind of behavior can lead to a lack, which makes prices go up. When the amount of stock on exchanges goes down, buyers may go crazy trying to get what's left, which drives up the price. Likely the price will go up quickly if whales start buying more XRP in preparation of future price gains. When you look at the bigger picture, it's important to know what these changes mean for other things. When whales are active, they can move the market in a way that not many other people can. They must believe in the long-term value of the token if they're buying a lot of it.